How much is this house?
This house we're asking. Yes,
That's
sir.
that's how many dollars? Hello and welcome back to another video. My name is Billion and this is Billion TV. My guest for today's video is my brother right here. I'm going to allow him to introduce himself and tell us what he has for us today.
Hello everyone, my name is Sana Kante and I'm the Managing Director of Velvet Properties, and today I'm here with Billion TV to show you this beautiful 3-bedroom story building we have in Paradise Estate here. So please bear with us and let's take a walk inside. So we are here in the kitchen. This is the kitchen. You have the kitchen cabinets with the drawers. This is the stove, extractor, and of course, and you have the microwave there, and the oven as well.
That's the oven?
Yes, that's the oven.
That's the microwave.
And then that's the storage room.
Storage room?
It's a storage room. And then this is where you have the solar backup. You have the solar inverter with the batteries here. So here there is uninterrupted power supply here. So that's the backup power supply.
You have like 8 batteries here?
Yes, 8 batteries here. So you have a whole lot of batteries here to do whatever you want to do here. So yeah,
That's the fridge.
that's the fridge. Yeah, double door fridge. Exactly, state of the art. This is Samsung, and then you have fan. That's the dining area. Yeah, 6-seater. 6-seater dining table. So as you can see, it's a decent size. And this is the living room.
Living room. Okay.
So the living room, as you can see. Yeah, these are fabric seats, very nice fabric seats. With the TV. Yeah, the living room is spacious. Very spacious, as you can see. Comfortable. As you can see.
So like 3 windows here?
Yeah, 3 windows here, so you have proper ventilation here. You have air conditioning, you have a ceiling fan as well. So
And the windows are 2
yeah, these are big windows.
2 meters?
Yeah,
2 meters window.
exactly.
Like 2 meter window.
Yeah, very comfortable living room. So now this is a guest bathroom with shower. As you can see, very nice. So wash and basin, toilet, shower, water heater. So very nice, as you can see. Yeah.
Heater is like 50 liters?
Yes.
Okay, 50 liters.
Exactly.
Okay.
So let's go to the guest room.
Guest room?
Yeah. A very nice bedroom, ceiling fan, air conditioning.
Fully air conditioning. Okay.
Yeah.
Bedroom has
AC.
AC?
Yeah. Yeah. So let's go upstairs.
Okay. Proper ventilation?
Yeah, proper ventilation.
1.5 meter.
Window. Yeah.
Ventilation is very important.
Very, very important. So we go upstairs.
Okay.
Yeah, so as you can see, this is a wonderful view here. We have a nice view coming down. So this is the master bedroom right here. So this is the master bedroom. You can see master bedroom with TV, and this is the wardrobe or the closet. The wardrobe, mirror. We have another bedroom here.
Alright. Check.
Yeah.
Okay, that's the bathroom.
And the shower. So yeah, that's the master bedroom.
So what I hear, that's like how many liters? 50?
Exactly, something like that. Yeah.
50 liters. Yeah.
Water heaters. Yeah.
You have a lot of space here, you know?
Definitely, it's a lot of space here, very big. As you can see,
nice.
very nice furniture. So you know, the house is going with everything inside the house. It has security system, CCTV connected to Wi-Fi, internet. So you got security systems, everything intact. Yeah.
What about the view outside? Let's see the view.
Yeah.
That's a nice view.
Definitely, that's the garden over there, lounging area.
Okay, we'll go down there and see that.
Another bedroom here. It's another bedroom here.
Okay, that's for kids.
Yeah.
Nice place.
Yeah.
Nice room for kids. Okay.
Exactly.
Nice view.
Definitely.
Proper ventilation, right? I think we have 2 windows here.
Yeah, 2 windows. Bedroom.
2 windows. I think each window is like 2 meters.
Yes.
That's nice.
Sort of. Yeah.
That's very nice. Okay. And what is this?
This is a bathroom.
Bathroom. I thought it's a living room. It's very big.
No. It's very big.
It's very big.
Indeed. So that's the washing machine.
That's like 3 meters by 3 meters.
No, it's more than 3
It's more
by.
than 3 meters.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has a closet here as well. So this is the shower.
Okay.
Again.
That's the shower. That's the washing machine.
Yeah.
Okay. All these things included?
Everything. The price includes everything you see in the house.
Okay.
It's a whole package.
So everything that's in this house is included in the price?
Exactly. Everything. Yeah. So these are the security systems, as you can see. All these are security alarms. Security system. Yeah, motion detectors. And this goes to the balcony. Yeah. This is the balcony. This is where you can hang out. Yeah.
That's the balcony.
This is the balcony.
It's a nice place.
Very nice. Yeah. From here you can have a chillax moment here or downstairs at the garden.
Okay.
So. Okay, so we've done a complete walk around in the house. So now we are going to the back. That's the backyard there, where you have the garden, the lounging area, and boys' quarter with outside kitchen. So yeah, this is the lounging area or the garden, the backyard. So this is where you can invite family and friends to do some barbecue and have a chillax here. You know, a very nice area, as you can see. Yeah, it's a nice area. So nice view. Exactly. It's where you can chill with the family, friends, you know, and have a fresh air. So yeah, pretty more, and there is a reserve water tank as well with pressure pump. So water is not an issue. Electricity is not an issue here. So this is a boys' quarter, a single room with the toilet, and you have the kitchen there and storage.
I think we have a tank at the back there.
Yes, a reserve water tank is there. So that's the reserve water tank.
Okay, that's a
With the pressure pump. Yeah.
okay.
Yeah, so pretty much this is more like it. And as you can see, those are CCTV security right there.
How many cameras do you have there?
We have about a whole lot of cameras at all the strategic areas.
Okay.
You have one here, and even outside there, there's one there, and those are the solar panels on top. And you have one camera here, as two. I think is a. And you have another camera there. All these are anti-theft security systems. These are alarm systems. Yeah, so
Okay, that's what we have here.
so basically this is what you have here. These are the two windows. So that's all we have for you today, wonderful viewers. Like I said, I'm Sana. I'm the MD of Velvet Properties, and this is my sales and marketing officer, Safiatou Kuchabi, and we are here today with Billion TV. So it's been such a wonderful time with Billion TV, and we do hope you keep following, subscribe to Billion TV as well. So like I said, it's a 3-bedroom. Everything you see here is included in the price. So call us, check us out on Facebook, Instagram or Twitter at Velvet Properties. So we'll be sure to take care of you in the most reliable and professional way, by God's grace.
Okay, how much is that?
The house, it's negotiable. I wouldn't like to disclose the price, to scare off certain people, But like I said, just follow us on Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, or contact Billion TV to get more info on the pricing. But I can assure you, you'll find it worth a while. Okay. Inshallah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you for watching today's video, and if you are new to this YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe and share this video to your friends and family. And if you are a returning subscriber, please thank you for following us through our videos, and we are saying bye to you from now. See you in our next video.
Bye bye.